Today I am going to make a painting for a beginners. With the help of this video, you can learn to make painting easily. Let's start. So very first I will draw the figure. Colors which I am using mention in the description box. Firstly I am blending water on the figure. Now I will dip only the top of the brush in the color. I am using Camel brown color and then paint the figure. Now I am filling color in the figure, dark to light. Now I am giving a shade with the blending the black color with the camel brown color on the brush. To make it easy, I will flatten the brush with the finger tightly wider so that I can give a perfect shade of color. I will fill the color like this only in whole figure. And now I am giving a shade with the white color. Now I am making a final outline of figure using black color with a perfect point of brush. To make a perfect point of brush, I am turning the brush slightly round on my hand. Use only brush point to make outline. If you press little more, the lines will feel like this. You can learn quickly by practicing a little. So the painting is done now. I think you may have liked my painting skill. I will learn some more paintings soon and share them with you. Thanks for watching the video.